welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alma, and today's video is a different kind of video for me, you guys. These past couple of months I've been trying to hone in on always looking, you know, ready, always looking put together. I'm in like my grown woman era. I just turned 20, okay, not just because I'm about to turn 26 at the end of the year, but I have been 25 for some time, so it's giving grown woman, it's giving mid-20s. So I just kind of want to give that and exude that when people look at me. So I've been doing these things to always look, you know, polished. Not just kidding. This video is me sharing some of my tips, things I've been doing, you know, lately, and they seem to be working. So I was like, why not just put the beauties on? So that is what we're doing today. I was gonna go in a different order, but I'm really liking the way my makeup came out today, so we just gonna skip around. I've been playing around with makeup a little bit more, and I just feel like my makeup looks so good, so we just gonna start there. So the first tip is that I've learned to like perfect my simple everyday makeup routine, and this is basically what it is. I don't want to hate in the comments time that, ooh, like that's what you like. Don't do me. I really like how my makeup turned out, and especially I can't stop staring at my lips. Okay, I really like my lip combo today, and that brings me to today's partnership. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for partnering with me on this video. So Merit Beauty sent over a couple of their products, which we'll get into in a little bit, but before I show you what they sent me, I just want to talk about the brand as a whole. Merit Beauty is a minimalistic beauty brand that creates products that are safe for your skin, your body, and the planet. And y'all, their packaging is literally my favorite thing in this world. Like, it's so cute. I love anything with gold. I say as I have silver jewelry on, but I love gold. Gold to me looks so like elegant and classy. I don't know why, but I just love the way gold looks. So Merit Beauty sent me a couple products, but the first thing I want to talk about is their tinted lip oil, which is Shade Slick in the color Taupe. Y'all can't tell me my lips are not popping. This is like the perfect everyday lip color for me. It's so pretty, and the packaging, y'all, look at this. The packaging is super pretty, and the color, like, yeah, my lips look good. I am in love with this. When y'all see me with a brown lip, don't ask me what it is. Y'all know it's Merit Beauty on the lips, okay? Mwah. No bars. Merit also sent me another lip product. This is their lipstick. This is their signature lip in the color Ginger. Oh, y'all, their packaging is literally to die for. This is what the color looks like. Just swatched it right here, so that is what it looks like against my skin tone. I will put this on and show y'all how I will play with it so it looks good on my skin tone, but as y'all can see, I already got Merit Beauty on the lips. Okay, and it looks good. But yeah, it's just something about this packaging. Like, y'all can't tell me when I put this out I'm not looking rich and expensive. Y'all got a lipstick that I come out to go to? Oh, didn't think so. The only way you do is if you got Merit Beauty, but if you don't, then the answer is no. They also sent me a blush. Never in my 25 years of life did I ever think I would be a blush girl. So when Merit Beauty sent over this blush to me, this is their blush in the color Beverly Hills. I am obsessed with blush now. I am a blush girl. I am a blush girl. First time I was using this blush, y'all, I was having so much fun applying it. I don't know, y'all. I was just having way too much fun. I was like, I'm not sure this is supposed to be this enjoyable. Another product that I have on from Merit Beauty today is this right here. Y'all, I'm not a gatekeeper. But this is my cheat code in life. Now, I'm not really the biggest eyebrow girl. I don't know how to do that, okay? I've been practicing, I've been trying to learn, but this helps me a lot. It doesn't even take that much, okay? This right here, I love it. All I do is put it on my eyebrows. I'm not gonna put any more on because I've already used it today, and I feel like it makes me look like I spent time on my eyebrows, but y'all, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to eyebrows. But this right here helps me fake it till I make it, and I love it. And y'all got a little secret, so don't tell them I told y'all, but your first purchase comes with a little bag. I think this bag is so cute, y'all, and you also get free shipping on all orders over $40. Shh. I want to say a big thank you to Merit Beauty for partnering with me on this video. Thank you guys so much for, you know, helping me hone in and perfect, you know, my little makeup game. And if you were interested in purchasing Merit Beauty, I got you, girl. I do have a link for you. It will be in the description box down below, so definitely use that link. Y'all, that was my first tip. That was makeup, you know, just perfect your everyday signature look. And use Bare Beauty to do so. The next thing I've been doing, you guys, is getting up earlier. Like for work, I have to be up by 6 at the latest. At the absolute latest, I need to be up by 6. But I like to wake up at 5:30, sometimes a little earlier. And it just gives me a little bit more time to get ready, so I'm not rushing like, where's this? No, I'm calm. And sometimes y'all might call me champ, but I like to play background music. I like to play like soft music. I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm in a movie or like a TV show. Like it just makes me feel, I don't know, you see how I'm moving? Like it just makes me feel good. Another thing I love doing, you guys, this is absolutely a lifesaver, is preparing the night before. Y'all know, like when we're going to school and we're so excited for the first day of school, like we picked up our top, our jeans, our shoes, our jacket, we had everything prepared. That's what I started doing on Sundays. Like during my Sunday resets, I will pick up my outfit for Monday, make sure it's ironed, make sure everything is done. So in the morning, again, I don't want to rush and be stressing in the morning and all that stuff. So preparing the night before is absolutely like a lifesaver. I'm talking about down to the shoes, y'all. My purse is packed. I'm not now coming to put my laptop in my bag and my snacks in my bag. No, like the night before, everything's in my bag. My outfit is packed. I know where everything is. It just helps me get ready faster and more efficiently, and I'm not rushed. The takeaway for my mornings is that I don't want to rush. I don't want to stress. The traffic on the highway already has me stressed out, so I don't need to be stressed in my home. So whatever I can do the night before to make my mornings smoother is what I'm doing. The next thing, y'all, that is super important is hygiene. Make sure you have a good hygiene routine, a good shower routine, a good after shower routine. Y'all, I am a sucker for an after shower routine. I have so many moisturizers and perfumes and body oils that I love to use. Like I like to glow. I told y'all that already. Y'all, that's not new information. I like to glow. I like to shimmer. I like to be moisturized. I like to smell good. So just make sure you're taking care of your hygiene, not only like your body hygiene but also your oral hygiene. Y'all, something I've started doing is carrying floss with me. Y'all, this I feel like is so overlooked, so slept on, so underrated. After you eat and you feel like you have something in your teeth, like hello, floss. And this one is so pretty. I love the way it looks. I got it from Amazon. I'll link my Amazon storefront. I think it should be in there. If it's not, I'll put it in there so when you guys are watching this video, it's already in there. But anyway, your hygiene is important. Your oral hygiene, your body hygiene, you know, you just gotta look good, smell good, and you'll feel good. The next thing I started to do, which I'm smiling because it's literally so comical, is to wear jewelry. And it's comical because I remember when I was a young girl, when I was younger, I was not the biggest fan of jewelry, but now I'm like really into like small and dainty jewelry. So I have earrings in. I have 3 holes on each ear, and I just have like studs going in order from biggest to smallest. I have this like super dainty small tennis bracelet. I got this from a store called Louisa or something. And then I just have like this random ring. I'm trying to get more into rings and stuff, so I just had like this random ring right here. And then I have my necklace, which just has the letter A on it. I don't know, I just feel like wearing simple jewelry like really ties in the look sometimes and just brings everything together. Your jewelry doesn't need to be super expensive. Honestly, these earrings that I'm wearing, I think, are from Icing. I used to wear super expensive earrings in my ears, but they would get lost all the time. Like, I don't know, and I'd have to keep repurchasing, and those earrings were not cheap, you guys. So repurchasing them every time was literally just making me cry. So I opted to get ones from Icing. They look literally almost identical to the more expensive one. Yeah, your jewelry doesn't need to be expensive at all. It can be from Icing, like I said, like I got these from. It could be from H&M. It can be from anywhere. The next thing that I like to do to help me look, you know, put together and polish is making sure my clothes are ironed. This right here, I used to absolutely hate it. So as an African child or as a Ghanaian child, y'all know y'all had to iron your parents' clothes, and just having to iron my parents' clothes made me hate ironing. Like, I'm pretty sure after I stopped ironing their clothes, I didn't touch an iron for years. But now I see the importance of it, y'all. Ironing really helps. The wrinkles don't do it. I'm not even gonna lie. The wrinkles don't do it. Ironing your clothes, I hate to say it, but our parents are right. But thankfully, technology, and is it really technology? I don't know. But thankfully, we have steamers now, which makes like ironing or like in having non-wrinkled clothes a little bit more bearable. Another thing that has to do with clothes is always carrying a Tide to Go pen with you. They are a lifesaver. If you soil yourself while eating, or like, you know, just get a little stain, just blah blah blah, and you all good to go. So I love a Tide to Go pen. Something else I've started doing that helps me, you know, look polished and put together is getting my nails done. Now, as y'all can see, I'm no longer doing acrylics. These are my real nails. I'm trying to grow out my real nails, and I have been going to a nail salon more frequently, you guys. I used to only go to a nail salon like when my nails are broken. Like, they could be so outgrown, like the nail all the way up here, and I'm still rocking those nails. But I've been keeping a two-week what is it called, a 2-week schedule with the nail salon. And yeah, I'm just like experimenting with different colors and different things. So just making sure your nails are always not even done. They don't need to be done, but if you're gonna have color on your nails and they're gonna be done, make sure they're not grown out like I used to do. I used to be walking around the streets with grown out nails. Try not to do that, y'all. Another thing I started to use, y'all, is cuticle oil. I am obsessed. Why didn't anyone tell me about this? This is cuticle oil. You just said that. Sorry, y'all, my camera stopped recording, so, and it's about to die soon, but I was talking about cuticle oil. The other one I have is a lot of work because it's just too much for me. Like, it's just too much. But this one right here with the little pen applicator is so easy, y'all. All I do is crank and then apply on my nails. I can do this anywhere. I was at the dentist waiting for the dentist to come see me. I was applying my cuticle oil just because the applicator makes it so much easier for me to use. I have been using cuticle oil on a more regular basis now, and I think it's helped my nails, y'all. I feel like my nails are growing. So the next thing I like to do is stick to my maintenance routine, y'all. And I know when we're going on vacation, that's when we start to go all out, or at least let me speak for myself. When I am going on vacation, I'm now getting this done, this done, this done, this done, this done. For the most part, y'all, I was only really getting certain things done only when I'm going to vacation. Like for a wax, for example, I only do that when I'm going on vacation. But I've started to, you know, start doing monthly maintenance and not just wait till vacation. Like, does that make sense? I just feel like that has helped me. So that's something I've implemented recently. Another thing that I've started to do, you guys, is going to the bathroom as soon as I get to my destination. And you know, sometimes when you leave the house you look one way, but I don't know, things might happen along the way that you might not be looking the way you thought you looked when you left the house. So when I get to my destination, y'all, the first place I go is the bathroom. Like, if I'm going to work, I go to my office, I drop off my stuff, and then I go to the bathroom. But I need to be in the bathroom within the first 3 minutes of when I get to my destination, just to make sure I still look good, honey, and just to make sure I still look the way I thought I looked when I left the house. So that tip has helped me. It's been a really good, like, it's been a big lifesaver for me. And the last thing, which I love to do, and I feel like a lot of people do this, but it's to mix expensive pieces with cheap pieces, y'all. I wear like basic tops. Okay, this is like a basic white top, but then like your shoes or your bag. For me, it's mostly my bag. I would have like a really nice bag with this $5 top. So that's the secret that I like to do. Yeah, y'all, those are a couple of things I started to do to help me look always polished, always put together, you know, always staying ready so I don't have to get ready. Like I said, I'm new to this. I'm a couple months in. So if you have any other tips that you think I should try that would help me, help the other beauties, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties. Mwah.